Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Nexon to ACC or on so the infotainment is active. This allows Bluetooth functions to run. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and visible to nearby devices. Now, on the car's touchscreen, go to Settings, then Bluetooth or Phone and choose Pair New Device. You're starting the connection handshake. This first action triggers the car to broadcast its Bluetooth name and prepares both devices to exchange codes and services. Once the Nexon broadcasts, look for its name on your phone and tap it to initiate pairing. You'll see a PIN on both the phone and the car screen. Make sure they match because this prevents accidental pairing with other devices, and then confirm on each side. After acceptance, grant the permission prompts for contacts, messages, and media. These allow hands-free calling and audio streaming. If you use multiple phone profiles, select the primary one so the car prioritizes calls and navigation. You finish by confirming that call audio and media icons are active on the Nexon display. Make a quick test call or play audio to verify. Once connected, set your phone as priority or enable auto-connect so future trips pair automatically, saving time. If things go wrong, don't panic. Restart your phone and the infotainment, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and remove stale pairings from both devices before trying again. This clears conflicts and nearly always resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.